Hi there, this is Fixed It. I've got an increasing number of USB chargeable devices, particularly with fixing the Spheros just recently. So I've decided to buy a new powered hub. This one is a Tintec USB desktop 6-channel charger. So let's open the box and have a look what's inside. So we have a UK power cable, which is a good sign. And then the main unit itself, it's really heavy and quite substantial. And power at the back, that's interesting, it says Tintec, but it's SPLAKS or SPLAKS or something. And then the 6 channels, this is a serious charger. These are 5 volt at 2.4 amps. And these are all intelligent ports, so they will actually identify your unit, they'll talk to it and identify what charge they need. I was using a cheap Chinese one, but I'm always concerned that it's actually going to end up frying something. You get a little card with it with some information. Thanks so much for buying, which is a nice little thing, and then inside the box there's a product description telling you what it does. My plan is to plug this in and then to use a USB voltmeter with an in and an out to actually have a look what's coming out of this device and how much power the individual items are using to see how variable it is. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel so that you'll be aware when part 2 is available. This was a really good price and I'll put a link in the description as to where I got it from, but I'd advise you wait to part 2 so I'll have a chance to test this. Please check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.